Hello guys, so it's Sophie here from Animal Kingdom Lodge in Walt Disney World. So I'm staying here from all of Easter, and here's a taster of all the stuff. Like and subscribe, and let's go.
Yay.
What up Disney fans, Sophie here. So this is the lodge we're at, the fabulous lodge, and the humidity is definitely high. And
That's the hotel.
sad. Hello guys, I am back and I am now dressed because it is boiling, and in England it was freezing, so I had to go down. And this is from Front Desk. It's the Odell Safari trip. And I don't know what's in there. No one does. Okay.
New transport. Not open yet. We're getting along. It's almost done. It's coming along nice. Look here. Long way to go. Busy.
Not yet. We're past it.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first musical portion of our demonstration, we have Miss Piggy in a wonderful 3D number. That's you, penguins.
Used to do that.
Hope you enjoyed that preview as much as I did. Subscribe and like the video, and it's coming soon. Bye!